Hey, did you know you can make a landing page in just 10 minutes using ClickBank's new all-in-one funnel builder, ClickBank Accelerator? I know it because I did it. Hi, I'm Daniel, and my expertise is in SEO, content strategy, and all manner of digital marketing stuff on the internet. So in this video, I want to talk to you about ClickBank Accelerator, what it is, how to use it, and whether it's right for you. A lot of affiliate marketers and product sellers online need an inexpensive, easy-to-use tool for creating pages. And I'm happy to share that ClickBank Accelerator is that tool for a lot of people. So what is ClickBank Accelerator? Well, ClickBank Accelerator is a new affiliate marketing funnel builder that's perfect for ClickBank affiliates and sellers, or affiliates and sellers who are in the space in general. As an affiliate network and marketplace, ClickBank is basically the OG. Been around since the late 90s, and it's made products available for affiliates to promote. One thing that makes ClickBank a special source for this kind of product is there's years of data inside ClickBank about what the top affiliates and sellers do, what kind of pages and funnels they build that enable them to make thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars in sales every day. As for Accelerator, I think the easiest way to think about this tool is like a Swiss Army knife. There's all kinds of software tools out there in digital marketing that can help you, whether that's page building, funnel building, analytics, email marketing, content management. But what's cool about Accelerator is that it's built to do all of those tasks at the same time in the same tool. Think about all those different things that you need to do online, whether you're doing affiliate marketing or you have a brand. You probably are creating blog posts, bridge pages, link in bio landers, opt-ins, maybe even email automations. And rather than having all of those different functions across several different tools, what if you could just have them in the same place? Well, whether you're an affiliate or a seller, you don't necessarily need that really sophisticated tool set. You just need something that works. So let's take a look at how ClickBank Accelerator works and who it might be a good fit for. When you first get started with ClickBank Accelerator, you go through an onboarding wizard that asks you some questions about who you are and what you want to do, including things like your niche and your traffic source if you're an affiliate. So the cool thing is Accelerator provides built-in templates for certain types of landing pages or funnels, so you can build your own in record time. As you can see here inside of Accelerator, there are all kinds of useful templates that you can work with for your funnel, including a pre-sell page for video, whether you're an affiliate or a seller, a text pre-sell for affiliate or seller, lead magnet for affiliate or seller, an advertorial style funnel, a blog funnel, a quiz funnel, and a link in bio funnel. And then lastly, we have things like webinar or just a general SEO site. And so what you can see here is anyone who wants to start an online business can create some kind of page, and they can do it quickly using Accelerator. ClickBank Accelerator is kind of an all-in-one tool primarily built for about 5 different major features. First of all, you have landing page building. You also have funnel building using an intelligent funnel generator. You have email marketing for up to 4 newsletter campaigns per month. You have contact management, which allows up to 10,000 contacts, and it's easy to tag and organize them. And then you have analytics, which allows you to track visitors, clicks, and conversion rates. Beyond that, it has included templates and some more advanced templates available to help shorten the time between getting started and finding success online. Want to see how it works? Let's create a new landing page real quick. Here I am inside of the Accelerator dashboard. You can see the funnels, you can see funnel templates. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this video pre-sell funnel template. Note that we have a lot of big clients on ClickBank who are media buyers, specifically through like Facebook ads or YouTube ads. So they create a lot of video ads, and this is a really good page to point them to that then would point to a video pitch page, a video sales letter for the vendor. So you can see, obviously, this is a super general template, but you can add a title real quick, something like "See how to make money as an affiliate!" exclamation point. And then add some quick bullet points like, and then you can go here and go ahead and come up with a new image. Go to this browse images here, and they have a tool in here called Pexels. or an integration with the stock photo site Pexels. So it's really easy to go grab an image. So let's say that we like this one. Okay, so here's a quick example of a landing page that I was able to build in just a few minutes. Obviously, this is not necessarily as complete as you would probably want to be. You'd probably put more time into thinking about the different elements, but I did want to show you that you're able to build this very, very quickly because all the elements are already in place. But as you can see, I have sort of this info bar at the top with a header that says become a ClickBank affiliate fast with sort of a nice blue background. I chose an image of the dashboard that I have inside of ClickBank with a sale that I got recently as the image that would encourage someone to click and find out more. And then a simple headline with some simple body copy. I'd probably expand on this, but just wanted to kind of illustrate the point. And then, of course, we have the call to action button for, in this case, watching the video. I went ahead and kind of showed what it would look like if you go into the marketplace and promote, grab an affiliate link by hitting the promote button and paste that in here. But yeah, that's a quick look. And if you hit this preview button, you should be able to see what this looks like. And so there we have it. Okay, so why would you use Accelerator rather than go buy a separate landing page builder, email marketing / contact management platform, web host, analytics tool, etc.? Well, the bottom line is ClickBank Accelerator provides all of that functionality that you need in one simple tool for an affordable monthly price. Going back to that Swiss Army knife analogy, it is convenient to have all of the tools you need in one place, especially when you're starting out. Now, are all of the tools built into this Swiss Army knife of ClickBank Accelerator as robust as going out and getting each one individually? I think we all know that the scissors that are built into a Swiss Army knife aren't going to be as fancy as a dedicated pair of scissors, and the same is true with Accelerator. If you're an advanced affiliate or product owner, then Accelerator may not have the depth of features you need to replace every single one of those individual tools, but for most people, Accelerator is more than enough. And in fact, it's actually a benefit not to have so many features that you're not even going to use. Assuming your goal is to do affiliate marketing on ClickBank or a similar platform, then you may really only need to stand up a simple landing page or two, so any extra bells and whistles are just going to add complexity and get in the way. Accelerator isn't overly fancy, but it is the perfect tool for affiliates and sellers who need a way to build pages and funnels without a lot of hassle. Okay, so why is Accelerator a good idea for page building or for building your blog? I think it boils down to 3 big benefits. First, there's ease of use. You don't have to be a web developer or a veteran marketer to build something great inside ClickBank Accelerator. ClickBank provides the templates to help you create a page, funnel, email flow, blog post, or website faster and more easily than you ever would have imagined, including pre-written email sequences for the latest top products to promote on ClickBank. Plus, with the onboarding wizard, you'll get step-by-step assistance on everything from which funnel type you need to the branding and page layout that's going to work best for your efforts. Second big benefit is that it's cost-effective. Remember, every single time you sign up for a new software tool, you're going to probably pay between $20 and $50 a month, and sometimes more. And honestly, you may pay for features that you don't understand or that you're never going to use, and that's definitely true if you're just going to stand up a simple landing page or make a quick email flow. What makes Accelerator special is that it provides all of these in one tool, and all of those are separate features that work together seamlessly to speed up the time it takes to find success. And then the third big benefit of Accelerator is that it's built for affiliates. There are a lot of landing page, funnel builder, and content management software tools out there. Examples include like ClickFunnels, Unbounce, Lead Pages, just WordPress, but they're kind of trying to be all things for all people. Accelerator is specifically designed for an affiliate marketing use case. If you're someone who wants to build these particular types of landing pages and funnels, then Accelerator is the only funnel designed just for you. Okay. So we've talked about some benefits, but obviously no tool is perfect. Here are some of the cons or the drawbacks to using ClickBank Accelerator. First of all, it has some limited advanced features. Depending on how much functionality you're looking for out of your funnel builder tool, Accelerator may be a little too jack of all trades, master of none for your taste. It's definitely designed as the one tool you'll need to get started as an affiliate or seller in this space, But if you're more intermediate or even advanced, then you'll probably find it lacking in some of the more sophisticated features that you're looking for. Also, this tool is really built around its templates. So if you want to do something that's a bit more original in terms of design or layout, it can be done, but it's not going to be as easy or as customizable as it might be in some other tools. And then the second kind of drawback is the UI isn't perfect. The user interface inside Accelerator isn't as polished as I would like. Some icons, like I just showed you, the magnifying glass for adding an image, aren't super intuitive and they require you to search around to figure out how to do it. And then sometimes the tool will refresh the page after you make certain changes. And that's not always the best. Accelerator is kind of still new as a funnel builder tool, so I'm sure the UI will continue to be refined, but it does have some quirks you'll have to get used to. And then the third kind of drawback with Accelerator is a lack of education included in the product. There is a lot of decent training inside Accelerator on how to use the tool itself, but there's a lot more to success as an affiliate online that it's not going to cover inside the tool. You might, for example, figure out how to add a button to your landing page, but you don't necessarily know the general principles on where to place the button, which color to use, or what text would make for an effective call to action. ClickBank does offer in-depth courses on affiliate marketing with free traffic, like blogging or social media, or paid traffic, like with Facebook ads, YouTube ads, etc., in order to make the most of your Accelerator account, but it would be nice to see more of this included inside Accelerator for those who are new to affiliate marketing. Accelerator is available with either a monthly subscription or a one-time payment for a 6-month bundle. Currently, the monthly price of Accelerator is $47 a month, or you can get it for just $33 a month if you get a 6-month purchase, which is a 30% discount. We'll drop a link in the description below if you want to find out more about Accelerator. In the end, I think ClickBank Accelerator is more than just a tool. It's a valuable stepping stone for success online, especially for people who are new to the whole space. Whether you're starting a blog, creating a funnel, or just standing up a quick affiliate bridge page, you can get up and running quickly and easily inside Accelerator and speed up your learning curve. I hope you found this overview of Accelerator helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more insights on affiliate marketing, and feel free to drop your questions or experiences with ClickBank Accelerator in the comments below. Until next time.